Last week, I made some content about 10 years on YouTube, and I really enjoyed making that. Didn't quite do as well as my ordinary content on this channel though. But I like making it, and I think I'm going to continue making some similar videos to that. You see, the thing I'm struggling with is that I've really got these two sides to my personality. I've got this highly evaluative and analytical side, and I've got this highly creative and what the right word is. I suppose some people might describe it as like left brain and right brain side. I've got both in abundance, and well, on this channel, I get to really explore that right brain side, although I don't think left brain and right brain is really the whole story. But anyway, on this channel, Kit Vets Masters, I get to really explore that analytical side, and I love making product reviews. Absolutely love it. But I really love making videos. I really love just being a creative, and that's one of the best things about this year for me. That's one of the best things about these 10 years on YouTube, is that now I can describe myself as a creative, and I can do that, and I can be that constantly. And I'm just so happy about it. But I do think that looking at my analytics on those videos last week, there is definitely two different audiences. There are people who were really keen on that, and there are people who, they just didn't sign up for that. So my theory is this: I'm going to leave this channel as it is, and I don't think I need to really slow down on this channel. I think I can continue to make just as much content really as I currently do, and I'm going to continue analyzing the pros and cons of all these different gadgets and e-ink tablets, and I'm going to continue that side of things. But I'm also at the same time going to cater for this other side of my personality on a separate channel, and I'm going to call that channel Kit Masters, which doesn't sound like a lot of difference, but that is quite a big difference for me, because Masters is my mum's name and she's the really artistic one, and Betts is my dad's name and he's the technical and the more analytical one. So I'm really looking forward to that. I'm looking forward to sharing more of my story, more about how I've done things so far building this channel, more about my creative process, rather than analyzing these tools, which I'll leave on this channel. So if you're just here mainly for the analytical content, for the e-ink reviews and things like that, then brilliant, you'll just be able to stay here on this channel. But if you're interested to know a little bit more about me and see a bit more wider what I do, discussions about being a creative person, making videos, writing, other types of creative art, then that'll be on the other channel. It won't be so much about the tech, although I'm sure that will weave its way in, as these are essential tools for being a creative in the 21st century. But that might be sort of 20% of the time, rather than the sort of 80% of the time the tech will be featured on this channel. And maybe you are interested in both things, in which case definitely subscribe to both and watch both sets of videos. It's still going to be me, it's still going to be my authentic voice. And especially if you did enjoy the more behind the scenes sort of vlog style content, then you'll find lots of that sort of thing on Kit Masters. And honestly, I've been umming and ahhing about this for some time as to whether I should really focus on two channels, whether I have the capacity to build two channels. And since I've made this commitment, then I've been really excited. And that excitement is usually a good sign creatively, a sign that I should just go for it. It doesn't mean that I'm any less excited about making videos here on my channel. It's incredible the connection that I built with this audience here on this channel. I absolutely love it. I'm still really passionate about continuing to build and grow and expand and improve the content that I give here on the channel Kit Vets Masters. One thing I must say is I need your subscriptions over there too, because I need that channel to get some exposure and people to start to see it straight away. But please, what I don't want to happen is that you go over there and leave the video sort of halfway through. Please, if you do go over there, then watch some videos, try and watch them all the way through, which is incredibly helpful. So if you just think you've no interest in that at all, just totally ignore this video, because if people do ditch a video early, that tells the algorithm that that video is probably not very good and it doesn't spread to more people. So if you're totally not interested in this creative side of myself, then just ignore this video totally and stick to Kit Vets Masters channel. But if you are keen, then the videos are already there, the channel is already up. Just click through this link and I'll see you over there. Thanks so much in advance for your support.